For weeks, scientists warned that Earth's magnetic field was still unstable. But no one expected what happened next. Because the first sign wasn't on the ground. It was in the sky. It started with the stars. One night, across every continent, billions of people looked up and felt something was wrong. Not because they saw something new, but because something familiar had disappeared. The stars stopped twinkling. Every point of light in the sky turned completely still. Sharp, motionless, silent, as if the universe was holding its breath. Astronomers panicked. Star flicker isn't just beauty. It's Earth's atmosphere interacting with light. If the stars stopped shimmering, it meant the atmosphere itself had changed. In the following hours, the air grew unnaturally still. Wind currents collapsed. Clouds froze in place like painted shapes, hanging motionless above cities. Birds refused to fly. Even the ocean felt heavy, its waves sluggish, as if pressured by an invisible force. Then came the sound. Or rather, the lack of it. For the first time in human history, Earth experienced a planet-wide silence. No wind. No rustle of trees. No distant hum. Just a deep, oppressive stillness. So complete it felt unnatural. People described hearing their own heartbeat echoing in their skulls. Others said the silence felt like being underwater. As if the world had sunk into a thick, invisible ocean. But the silence didn't last. At 3:17 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time, the atmosphere released all the pressure at once. A global roar erupted. A low, monstrous vibration that rattled windows and shook the bones inside people's bodies. Not an explosion. Not thunder. Something deeper. Something no one could identify. And then, the stars began to move again. Not twinkling, but drifting. As if Earth itself had slipped slightly out of its place. Scientists checked the readings. And the truth was worse than any prediction. Earth had shifted. Not just in rotation, but in orbit. Our planet was no longer where it was supposed to be. And humanity understood, for the first time, that the disaster wasn't over. It was only beginning.
You're watching Universe Reimagined. If you crave discoveries beyond imagination, like, share, and subscribe.